If you're having trouble connecting to the App Store on your iPhone, here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix it quickly and easily. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. Try opening a website or another app to see if your connection is working. Next, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart refreshes the system and fixes temporary glitches. After that, open your device's settings and scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Then tap on App Store. Here, make sure that everything is enabled properly, like cellular data access for the App Store and more. Next, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. To do this, go back to the main settings menu and then tap on your name at the very top. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on sign out. After signing out, sign back in with your Apple ID. Then, check your device's date and time. Go back to the main settings menu and then tap on general. After that, tap on date and time and make sure set automatically is toggled on. Incorrect date or time can cause App Store connection issues. Now, if the problem still persists, try resetting your network settings. For that, go back to the general settings menu and scroll all the way down. Then tap on transfer or reset iPhone followed by reset. After that, choose reset network settings from the options. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you will need to reconnect to your networks. Finally, try updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version. For that, go back to the general settings menu and then tap on software update. Here, install any available updates. And that's all. After following these steps, your iPhone should be able to connect to the App Store without any problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.